Exercise 15.2, question number 16. We have to construct a parallelogram PQRS where PQ is 5.2, PR is 6 centimeter and QS is 6.4 centimeter. So first we'll draw rough diagram as usual. So what is given? P, Q, R, S. PQ 5.2 is given, okay, and PR and QS, that means two diagonals are given. One is 6 centimeter and other one is 6.4 centimeter. So what we will do, we'll draw first 6 centimeter line, and that would be PR. Centimeter. Okay, then we have to draw QS, and we want to use the property of parallelogram, that both diagonals are bisect each other. Okay, so bisect. So for bisector, we have, what we will do, we'll use a rounder, okay, and take more than half. Draw an arc up and down, here also. Now join this line. This point is nothing but what? Midpoint of PR. That means this one must be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Now what we will do, take, see, QS is what? Now we have to draw QS. QS is how much? 6.4. Half of 6.4 will be 3.2. So now take 3.2 in rounder. Put here. Draw an arc. Same. Draw an arc. Okay. Now this PQ, okay, PQ's length is 5.2. So now take 5.2. Put here. Draw an arc and put on R. See, here we have to use the property of parallelogram. And what is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides of a parallelogram must be equal. That means opposite of PQ is what? SR. So this one must be 5.2. Now we got this point and this point. Okay, so this point is P, Q, R, S. Now join this line. And now you can join SR and PQ. So you will get what? You will get a parallelogram. So this one is parallelogram PQRS, where PQ is 5 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter. PQ is 5.2 centimeter, PR is 6 centimeter, and PS is, this one is PS. Okay. When you join this, see, when you join this, you can measure it. Thus, this one must be how much? 6.4. So we have completed this question here.